everyone, I'm glad to share my points of view about hot issues now. To know what is that problem, let's watch some video below. You know what issues I want to share, don't you? Wait a minute, let me introduce myself. My name is Phuong Tram. I am a student for at National Academics of Public Administration. I'm making a videos for first round of course for college 2018, and my question is: imagine that you are in charge of teaching a group of 15 students in grade 9. Please recall yourself teaching a lesson on one specific soft skill that you think suitable and meaning to them. And my answer is I want to hold a project. It's named How to Rotate Yourself. In my project, children can learn how to rotate themselves from humans who have bad activity with them, like a thief, a rabbit, an abductor, and so on. They will learn how to use something like paper spray, proof, how to escape from dangerous situations, and how to help each other who are in bad situations. The reasons why I choose this soft skill to teach children is that, as you know, nowadays there are a lot of children who are affected by sexual exploitation, abuses, and kidnapping. All smarter words it comes from the wrong educations of their parents, their teachers, and older people. As you know, 10 is the age that children become populous, and they always want to know about not only their body but also their friends' body, both boy and girl, so that if they don't have right guide, it is easy for them to make a mistake. That have worse influences not only for their physical but also for their minds. I made a survey at my academics, and I find that more than 19% of students have relatives under 18 years old share that their relatives want to change how to protect themselves from dangerous sexual exploitation, kidnapping. Based on my experience from a lot of soft skill class I joined and some activity programs I make for children under 18 years old, especially children still on secondary school, I can hold a class for children. In the class, they are taught by psychology lecturer. He can have them more confidence to tell their story, their questions, their problem in life, the bad thing they have to see, but they can talk with their parents, and so on. After that, The teachers will help each other find key to solve their problem. Besides that, I will organize a self-defense class. This class should give them a chance to practice their move because I think one of the best things people take away from self-defense class is self-confidence. Furthermore, I can make some physical and mental playground for children to improve their health and their mind, so that I can hold some programs that give them to dangerous situations and simulations in order to make environment for them to do what they've learned from class. I think after finish my project, the children in grade 9 in particular and children in general will more confident, more brave, and they can not only protect themselves but also protect people around.